In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix brightness not working on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. So all you want to do when your iPhone screen brightness won't adjust or stay completely dim even when you drag the slide all the way up. It's usually caused by a software restriction loop, automatic display overrides, or an overheated device. And you can unfreeze your brightness controls and restore full screen visibility in under 60 seconds. So if your brightness slider moves but the screen immediately overrides your input, the ambient light sensors are fighting your manual settings. So what you want to do is open up the settings on your phone and go ahead and scroll down and tap accessibility, then select display and text size. So once you go ahead and click on that, scroll to the very bottom and locate auto brightness and go ahead and turn that off. So I'm just going to go over and turn that off right there. Now, once you go ahead and do that, it should definitely help. What I can also do is go back to my main settings, and then tap on display and brightness and toggle off both true tone and night shift. And then that should definitely help as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.